I'm so excited. When you fail once, try again. Ooh.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I breathe.
Good morning, Mamuka say. Bonjour. Dumela O, yeah. Livhukenjani bantu. So guys, today I'm making lunch for work and I'm gonna make a cheesy chicken quesadilla. So try this with me. I'm gonna use tortilla wraps. I'm gonna use some chicken. I've already had like chicken tikka breast that I've just chopped up already in that white plate, and I'll just add some cheese, something simple. So follow me along on this journey as I'm doing this. And always guys, I like to know where you're watching from. Comment down below in the comment section where you're from or where you're watching my stuff from. And please feel free to recommend what you'd like to see on this channel, anything you'd like me to try and cook for you, and yeah, or places you'd like me to go and try food. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification as well.